Hello everyone. Today we bring you the upcoming release of Geonix Rev.2, a brand new upgraded version of Geonix 48. The Geonix Rev.2 is more than just a looker. It's a complete rethink of design and purpose. The new concentric back panel design offers a softer, more refined feel. Cut lines are smoother, angles are adjusted, and depth is fine, tuned for a more elegant shape and visual kind of depth. The overall design is clean and simple rock, not overdone. It's also lightweight and easy to carry. Built from premium aluminum, carefully cranks machined for a sleek finish. The keycaps used are Silcake Retro Mahjong keycap set, which is a good match. Measuring 8.3 inches long, 3 inches wide, and the Geonix Rev.2 is a very portable keyboard. The matching Kai look, the Element series or palm low profile, which looks more advanced and simple, now with full RG backlighting. Fully programmable with support for QAP and VIA. Supports both wired USB connection and Bluetooth wireless modes for maximum flexibility. The best thing is that it is so easy to carry and is your best companion when traveling and working.
Chosfox.